The Pixel 9 series is finally official after Google lifted the curtain over the new Pixel 9 devices on August 13th during the annual Made by Google event. And even though it might be hard to recommend the vanilla Pixel 9, the model will probably appeal to many people out there. Like every year, the Pixel 9 competes against other base flagships from big manufacturers, and the Galaxy S24 is one such flagship. The Pixel 9 and the Galaxy S24 are fighting for the same audience, and they are pretty close to each other when it comes to physical size, weight, specs, and overall features. Today, we're going to look a bit deeper into this particular comparison in order to find out which one is the better choice. Which compact Android flagship will take the 2024 crown? Pixel 9 versus Galaxy S24 main differences. Pixel 9 is larger and heavier device, and the S24 is a more compact device. Also, the Pixel 9 is slightly larger, 6.3 inches display with 120Hz refresh rate. And the S24 is similar 6.2 inches screen with 120Hz refresh rate. Also, Pixel 9 used dual camera with the typical wide ultra-wide combination, and S24 used triple camera system with addition of a telephoto lens. The base memory of Pixel 9 is 12 GB RAM, but the S24 has less memory, just 8 GB RAM on board. Pixel equal native storage with the 256 GB, optional in S24 has 128 GB in here as well. Most important thing, the battery Pixel 9 has a large 4,700 mAh battery with 45-watt wired charging that will potentially deliver better battery life. But S24 did not deliver the best battery life because it has 4,000 mAh battery with 25-watt slower wired charging. These are main difference between these phones. Now we talk about the difference between other things like display performance and camera. So first thing first, the display of both phones are more similar, even though the Galaxy S24 seems to have a smaller diagonal. It is a bit misleading, as if you try and measure the diagonal from one curved edge to the other. The real sizes come at 6 inches, and it all depends on the curvature of the corner. The Pixel 9 sports a 6.3 inches screen size with a resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels, resulting in pixel density of around 422 ppi. This panel is not LTPO panel. It can switch between 69 Hz and 120 Hz. The brightness is 1800 nits of HDR. 2700 is peak brightness nits. At the other hand, S24 has 6.2 inches LTPO panel with the 1080 by 2340 pixel with 2300 nits. Peak brightness nits. Performance and software. The Galaxy S24 has Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip fin-tuned just for Galaxy, so it runs a bit faster and smoother than the regular 8 Gen 3 chip. At the other hand, Pixel has new Tensor G4 processor. It might be not speedy as the 8 Gen 3 chip in benchmark, but Google has put a lot of work into making it great at machine learning, which could give it an AI edge. Camera, the vanilla Pixel 9 has dual camera. The main sensor is 50 megapixels, and the second sensor is 48 megapixels. Quad PD sensor, at the other hand, Galaxy S24 has 50 megapixels. Main sensor with 24mm wide camera, and 12 megapixel, ultra wide with 120 field of view nut. It has one additional camera, a 3x telephoto lens, so you can get 2x crop decent photo with S24. Battery and charging. Another interesting Department ID battery. And charging Pixel 9 has slightly larger battery than the S24, but not much. Pixel 9 has 4,700 mAh battery. And S24 has 4,000 mAh battery. So Pixel 9 perform little bit more than the S24 in battery section. But in gaming, S24 perform better than the Pixel 9.